Hello students, welcome to lecture number 8 of physics, chapter 2nd. Chapter's name is as you know, magnetic effect of electric current. So students, today we will discuss about different aspect of magnetic effect of electric current. In previous video, you have been already told that there are mainly three type of effect of electric current. Number one, magnetic effect of electric current. Number two, chemical effect of electric current. And number three, magnetic effect of electric current. Sorry, student, I want to say that there are three type of effects of electric current. Number one, heating effect of electric current. Number two, chemical effect of electric current. And number three, magnetic effect of electric current. So here we will discuss only about magnetic effect of electric current. So student, first of all, a scientist from Italy, Italian scientist, named Gian Domenico in 1802, first he noticed that if current is flown through any conductor, then a type of magnetic field experienced. First of all, he noticed. Who? Italian scientist Domenico. But ahead, Danish scientist Hans Christian Ørsted in 1819, he in detail discussed about that if conductor is there and if current flows through the conductor, then around a conductor wire a type of attractive force is experienced, which is type of which is known as magnetic field or magnetic force. उस कंडक्टर वायर के चारों ओर एक मैग्नेटिक फोर्स या मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का इफेक्ट देखा इन्होंने हाइंस क्रिश्चियन ऑरस्टेड ने, जो उन्होंने आगे कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स तो किए हैं बहुत सारे. एंड नेक्स्ट साइंटिस्ट वाज फ्रेंच एंड्री एम्पियर इन 1820, जिनके नाम पर यानी कि एम्पियर इज यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. द यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट वाज गिवन बाय द नेम ऑफ regarding Andre Ampere in 1820. So student, similarly Faraday was another scientist who discussed in detail about the relationship between magnet and electric current. Andre Ampere says that if we take two parallel conductor wire parallel and if we flow the current, then both parallel wire experienced a type of force which is magnetic force. Similarly, Faraday shows that if electric current, if there is a magnetic field due to electric current, then it's opposite statement that due to magnet we can produce current. Similarly, due to current we can produce magnet. First of all, Faraday says that magnetic field and electric current both are created to each other with the help of first it created with the help of second, and second can be created with the help of first. Means magnet and current. In other words, we can say magnetic field and electric current both are correlated. And the relationship between magnetic field and electric current is also called electromagnetism. The word is given here, electromagnetism. So students, this is the word which is given to show the relation between magnetic field and electric current. Question arises, what is magnetic field? First we talk about magnet. In previous classes you have had information about magnet. Magnet are different types like bar magnet, shoe-shaped magnet, artificial magnet, man-made magnet or permanent magnet. Temporary magnet are also there, but we have here taken bar-like magnet. This is called bar magnet, in which there are two poles, north and south poles, and you know magnetic field lines always travel from north to south pole. Field lines travels north to south pole. Always remember. How to draw this will be told you in coming lectures, and you will read in your books that how to draw. This is activity with the help of bar magnet. Draw the magnetic field lines. So these are called magnetic field, and we can say magnetic field lines. So first of all, here we want to make it clear that what is magnetic field. We can say that if we have a bar like magnet, then certainly this around this magnet there is a certain field in which beacon means compass can experience a force. This field is called magnetic field. The region around a magnet where its influence can be felt is called magnetic field. The region around a magnet. इस मैग्नेट के चारों ओर का वो फील्ड, उस फील्ड को अभी हम शो करेंगे. द फील्ड इन विच magnetic field is felt means magnet, force of magnet is felt is called magnetic field. Students, the region around a magnet where its influence can be felt is called magnetic field. But who can felt? Certainly compass. With the help of compass we can felt. It is very less in magnitude, so we need to show the magnetic effect, we need compass needle. Okay students, now what is according to topic is magnetic effect of electric current. Question arises, what is the magnetic effect of electric current? You can say that the generation of magnetic field around a conductor when electric current is passed through it is called magnetic effect of electric current. Around a conductor wire, sometimes electric current may be DC or sometimes it may be AC. AC means alternative current and DC means direct current. Okay students? Then when electricity passes through a conductor, according to definition, according to this topic, a type of magnetic field is influenced, is experienced around a conductor wire. Okay students? So now we take some symbols here. We have written B is called strength of magnetic field, I is called electric current, T is called Tesla. In detail we will study what is Tesla, and this is mu naught, which is called permeability of vacuum, and Q is no charge. Mu naught is new for you, but I think this is not in your course. You will study in 11th when you will study physics what is meant by mu naught. This is okay students, but concentrate here, in this these two topics and write down. Okay students. So students, here we have few terms like bar magnet, compass, magnetic compass, magnetic field lines. So student, here if we compare electric charge with magnet, as you know electric charges are two types, positive and negative. Similarly in magnet there are two type of poles, north pole and south poles. In case of charges, like charges, property of charges, like charges repel each other, but opposite charges attract each other. Similarly, in case of bar magnet, like poles repel each other. Means if you put two bar magnets having same poles, then there is a force of repulsion. Okay, if poles are same, then it experiences a force of repulsion. But in case if both have opposite poles, suppose we have two magnets and we put nearer each other having opposite, unlike poles, then there is a force of attraction between opposite poles. Means same properties are there. In case of magnet, like poles repel each other, unlike poles attract each other. This is the diagram we show a bar magnet. And one more property is there important, that if you break bar magnet, यदि आप किसी बार मैग्नेट को तोड़ देते हैं, तो जनरली इफ इट इज़ नॉर्थ पोल एंड दिस इज साउथ पोल, इफ वी ब्रेक, अगर हमने इसको आप तोड़ दिया, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि साउथ पोल सेपरेट हो गया और नॉर्थ सेपरेट हो गया. ऑटोमेटिकली द पीस ऑफ बार मैग्नेट हैव बोथ द पोल्स. टूटे हुए पार्ट में आप कितने भी पार्ट करेंगे बार मैग्नेट के, जब भी बार मैग्नेट टूटेगा तो उसमें ऑटोमेटिकली नेचुरली दोनों पोल्स क्रिएट हो जाएंगे. तो दिस इज अनदर प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मैग्नेट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड हियर वी हैव अ बार मैग्नेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर in which north pole is this, south pole is that. And how to draw these field lines, we are telling you, but according to property, always field lines travels always from north to south in this way. Sometimes it makes a closed curve like that, this type. We can write, we can draw like this way, closed curve. तो sometimes ये जो फील्ड लाइंस है क्लोज कर्व बनाती हैं. ओके, देखिए हर लाइन नॉर्थ से जा रही है, नॉर्थ से साउथ की ओर. जो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है, जो मीन्स जो बार मैग्नेट के पैरेलल जा रही है वो सीधी निकल जाएगी. आप देखिए यहाँ हमेशा वेरी वीक, यहाँ पे बहुत ही वीक स्ट्रांग, मतलब वीक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होती है, और दोनों तरफ डायरेक्शन होगा नॉर्थ टू साउथ. अभी आपको बताया जाएगा कैसे इसको ड्रा करें. ये एक्सपेरिमेंट स्टूडेंट्स आप खुद कर सकते हैं अगर आपके पास एक बार मैग्नेट है, एक पेपर शीट है और कंपास है. कंपास क्या है? व्हाट इज मैग्नेटिक कंपास? मैग्नेटिक कंपास इज ए डिवाइस व्हिच शोज द डायरेक्शन. ओके, इन दिस टाइप ऑफ देयर आर many type of magnetic compass, but here one is shown here, north pole, south pole shows the direction east and west. The magnetic field lines are also called magnetic line of force. तो स्टूडेंट अभी हम एक डायग्राम बनाएंगे जिसमें दिखाया जाएगा कैसे आप फील्ड लाइंस बना सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो हियर एक वर्ड दिया हुआ है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you know that magnetic field lines are also called magnetic lines of force. Okay, these are two similar words students. Question arises, what is magnetic field lines? So there are many definitions, simple way and in simple way and in described way. Here magnetic field lines are defined as a magnetic field lines are smooth curved around a magnet in a magnetic field such that the tangent at any point of it gives the direction of magnetic field at that point. Magnetic field lines no doubt indicates the direction of magnetic field. जो magnetic field lines है वो बताती हैं कि magnetic field का डायरेक्शन क्या होगा. आगे हम बहुत सारे प्रिंसिपल्स, बहुत सारे लॉज पढ़ेंगे जिनमें magnetic field lines का डायरेक्शन बताया जाएगा. तो ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो इसे आप नोट करें. तो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, here we have two terms. Number one, properties of magnetic field lines, and in this case we want to show Oersted's experiment, how Oersted find that in the presence of current compass needle gets deflected. So okay, first we discuss here students, the diagram shows a battery key and you know this is open key. So no current is flown. Okay, therefore compass needle is south and north. This is parallel to each other. Here both are parallel. Okay students, means no deflection, no deviation in compass needle if current is not flown, current does not flow. Okay students, but in this case key is closed, CLOSED, and closed key, due to closed key current start flowing. जैसे ही करंट इसमें फ्लो हो रहा है स्टूडेंट्स, तो दिस कंपास निडल गेट्स डिफ्लेक्टेड, दिस निडल चेंज इस डायरेक्शन. आप देख सकते हैं कि निडल पहले ऐसे थी, अब ये जो है इस ढंग से हो गया है. तो ये शो कर रहा है कि इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ करंट देयर इज अ सम इफेक्ट व्हिच इज एक्सपीरियंस्ड बाय दिस कंपास निडल. दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट shows that, this deflection shows that there is a force of attraction which shows that if current is flowing, then around the conductor wire experiences a type of force which is called magnetic force. So students, it was the experiment done by Ørsted. Okay students, now of late we have talked about magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines start from North Pole and end to the South Pole. These are the called properties. Mainly three properties are there. Number one, magnetic field lines start at North Pole and end at South Pole. You have already shown in this diagram, if this is North Pole and South Pole, then field lines travels together as like this from north to south. Okay students, and if we show the line at the middle of the bar magnet, then the direction of this is. Similarly, ऐसे ही आप बहुत सारी लाइन्स शो कर सकते हैं नॉर्थ टू साउथ. ओके, नॉर्थ टू साउथ. Students, in this diagram it is also shown that at the poles there are number of field lines are there. Means field lines at the poles are dense means बहुत ज़्यादा है यहाँ पे. तो it means according to third property, stronger the field, closer are the field lines. Means the degree of closeness of the field lines depends upon the strength of the magnetic field. Means यहाँ पर देखिए बहुत सारी फील्ड लाइंस क्लोज है, एक जगह पे बहुत सारी फील्ड लाइंस, और यहाँ देखिए यहाँ पे एक क्या है, गैप है. मीन्स हियर देयर इज ए स्ट्रांगर फील्ड लाइंस. यहाँ पे बहुत ही स्ट्रांग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है. ये शो कर रहा है कि यहाँ पे फील्ड लाइंस क्लोजर टुगेदर, काफ़ी ज़्यादा हैं, क्लोज हैं. और जब ये क्लोजेस खत्म हो जाती है वहाँ फील्ड वीक हो जाती है. मीन्स स्ट्रांगर द फील्ड, क्लोजर आर द फील्ड लाइंस. फील्ड स्ट्रांग वही होगी जहाँ फील्ड लाइंस काफ़ी क्लोजर होगी, पास होगी. इस फील्ड वीक कहाँ होगी, जहाँ फील्ड लाइंस दूर होंगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस डू नॉट इंटरसेक्ट बिकॉज देयर कैन नॉट बी टू डायरेक्शंस ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट एनी पॉइंट. It was said that in any point, suppose here we have a compass needle. Okay students, so in this, and if these are the points, if here we want to draw tangent, then tangent shows only one direction. So curve like field in different points of curve, at any point of curve, tangent shows different direction, only one direction, नॉट एट वन पॉइंट टू डायरेक्शन. कभी भी इस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस में किसी भी पॉइंट पे एक ही डायरेक्शन से होगा. देयरफॉर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस डू नॉट इंटरसेक्ट, आपस में इंटरसेक्ट कभी नहीं करेंगी, बिकॉज देयर कैन नॉट बी टू डायरेक्शंस ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट एनी पॉइंट. आप जानते हैं मैथमेटिक्स में कि अगर आप किसी भी सर्कुलर पाथ में यहाँ कहीं भी टेंजेंट ड्रा करेंगे तो टेंजेंट हर बार एक ही डायरेक्शन शो करेगा. आप देख रहे हैं, ओनली वन डायरेक्शन. कभी भी एट सेम पॉइंट टेंजेंट डज नॉट शो टू डायरेक्शंस. देयरफॉर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस नेवर इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर. तो स्टूडेंट्स, दीज आर द थ्री मेन प्रॉपर्टी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो प्लीज नोट डाउन. हाँ, तो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू हैव रिटन दीज प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ magnetic field lines. Okay, I would like to conclude here. Now in next lecture we will show how to draw magnetic field lines with the help of compass. Okay students, till then try to understand this video lecture and write important notes, and if you like this video lecture, please subscribe this channel also to get updated videos. Okay students, you need to subscribe, and certainly you will get more videos with having more qualities. Okay students, take care of yourself. Thanks.